Hello Sir July, kamusta po? Redman Toys Raymond here. So ito sir, testingin lang natin sir yung unit na order mo. The KJ Works KP17 or Glock 17 Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Ayan. So ito sir, yung magazine, green gas. Lagyan natin ng BB. So 7 nalagay ko. Okay? 7. Okay. Trigger finger out. Okay. Pasok. Make sure that the muzzle is pointed at the safe direction. Okay. So, turning on the chronograph. Okay. Firing. 356.8. 351.3. 349.9. 345.2. 339.9. 342.7 and 341.7. Okay? So, yun sir, naubos yung bala, nag-slide lock, remove the magazine. Okay? So, pull back the slide para bumaba to kasi may spring yan eh. Okay? Yan. So, hammer down. Okay? So, ayun Sir July, okay na yung unit mo, no? So, pako na siya at nang mapaship ko na siya sa inyo. Okay? So, ayun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.